Palolem, a true gem in South Goa. Palolem is a paradise for people who want a safe beach for swimming and sea kayaking. Unlike beaches on the northern part of the state, this beach is less crowded. Palolem beach has a lot to offer. Sea kayaking is one such sport which is so thrilling, calming and relaxing. One could opt for a kayak or stand-up paddle sessions for a reasonable price at Samson's kiosks, and even spot dolphins in the early morning while practicing any of this sport. Sandwiched between two hills, this cushion-shaped huge beach is one of the most beautiful beaches in the entire Goa. The real magic happens at Palolem once the sun sets down, and that is when the sky is pink moment happens. Agonda. Formerly a fishing village, Agonda is just becoming a must-visit beach on every traveler's list. Situated between two hills just like Palolem, it has a creek on its northern shore draining into the Arabian Sea. And beautiful huge rocks on the other side makes this beach one of its kind. Mostly preferred by the travelers who like tranquility and to spend a lazy day by the sea, it's probably one of the very few beaches which still holds the old Goan laid-back vibes. The real magic happens at Agonda once the sun sets down, and that is when the sky is pink moment happens. The sky is pink moment. Over the course of 30 days stay, we have watched many artistic and fulfilling sunsets. Although the sight of sun dipping down the horizon at southern coast of Goa was a surreal experience, the real magic happens once the sun goes down. The melodramatic magenta colors takes over from the retreating sun, transforming the huge sky into a canvas. And we call this moment as the sky is pink. The whole idea of Goa started when two crazy people came up with 15 different ideas Ended up in South Goa for 30 days.